Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making a rich and indulgent classic tiramisu. This Italian dessert is layered with creamy mascarpone, coffee-soaked ladyfingers, and a dusting of cocoa. Let's dive in. Ingredients: 6 large egg yolks, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup mascarpone cheese, 1½ cups heavy cream, 2 cups brewed coffee, cooled, 1/4 cup coffee liqueur, optional, 2 packs ladyfinger cookies, cocoa powder for dusting, dark chocolate shavings, optional. Directions: in a large mixing bowl, whisk egg yolks and sugar together until pale and creamy. Add mascarpone cheese and mix until smooth. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form, then fold it into the mascarpone mixture. Combine cold coffee with coffee liqueur in a shallow dish. Dip each ladyfinger briefly into the coffee mixture and layer them in a serving dish. Spread half of the mascarpone mixture over the ladyfingers. Add another layer of dipped ladyfingers and top with the remaining mascarpone mixture. Dust with cocoa powder and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. Serve chilled with additional cocoa powder or chocolate shavings on top. Prep time: 20 minutes. Chill time: 4 hours. Total time: 4 hours 20 minutes. Calories: 450 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 8 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.